In this box, we have the brand new Samsung A55, and it is my first A-range Samsung, so let's go. So this is the new A55 5G. Now, quite knows why they have to say it's 5G anymore, because surely that's a given. So I'm always getting asked about the A-range. People are always asking me for tips or what the phone's like, and I've never got a good answer, purely because I've never had one. But today is the day that that changes, because I now have the A55 in a nice pink. I mean, it's actually nice to have a phone that's a bit more colourful and less boring than they all look these days. So I know the A-range are designed to be that kind of mid-range, budget-friendly version, you know, compared to the 24 Ultra, 23 Ultra. But you know what? This phone actually does feel premium, considering it's, you know, a budget-friendly device. But it feels great. I mean, size-wise, it's not too far off the same size as the S24 Ultra. And here we have it. This is the A55 5G. It comes with the Exynos 1480 chipset. It's got 8GB of RAM. You've also got the full HD AMOLED display. And you've also got 3 cameras at the back, which the 50 megapixel is your main camera. And you've also got a 32 megapixel selfie camera. So people have got plenty of questions about the A-range for me. So let me know what you want to see. Now I've got one. I'll try my best. But there it is, the A55 5G from Samsung.